Okay, good morning. I think it's day 26. Wow, what a miserable night last night. So it's raining now, as you can tell. It's supposed to rain all day. In Smoky Mountain National Park, you gotta stay at the shelters. There's one shelter like 5.7, which is too close, and one 13 miles away, which is too far. So we're gonna do a hike too far today in the rain all day. The nice thing yesterday was I was befriended by one of the most annoying people I've ever met in my life. And in the shelter, this guy who snored like a friggin' freight train decided to sleep right next to me and kept scooting over. I was pinned against the wall. And then I actually woke up with his sock in my sleeping bag. Yay! Woohoo! What a day! So I'm motivated to get going. Move along, let's get out of this park. I just stopped to do a little short video here. I'm trying to get miles done today. As you can see, I am hiking in the clouds. Listen to some Martina McBride on the